Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Vanguard Zadie skin quick step by step. Start by verifying the current event or shop availability, then check your currency and inventory to see what you need. Focus on missions that give tokens, complete daily challenges reliably, and prioritize high-value tasks first. Join parties or use boosts that speed up mission completion, and track progress each day until you can redeem the skin. In this video, I will show how to get Vanguard Zadie skin quick step by step. Each day, log in and claim free rewards, then focus on the 3 missions that award the most progress toward the skin. Use any double XP or boost items you have and team up with friends to finish objectives faster. Track progress after each session and adjust which tasks you do to consistently hit the fastest path to the skin. In this video, I will show how to get Vanguard Zadie skin quick step by step. Quick recommendation: if you want a little mood boost between grind sessions, grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a fresh smelling car while you play. If you enjoy this content, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to get Vanguard Zadie skin quick step by step. Be strategic with your in-game money. Buy token bundles or bundles that include the skin first. Resist spending on cosmetics or upgrades that do not help unlock the skin. Redeem promo rewards and save premium currency earned from events or challenges. If a limited offer appears, compare cost per progress point to make the most efficient purchase decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.